turkey or what?
She's got a dribble.
It's a Munch Pak. Munch Pak, Munch Pak, Munch, Munch, Munch. Hello, everyone. We're back with the Munch Pak.
The ones you big.
A big one.
Oh, yeah, it is heavy.
That's why I can't hold it very long.
Oh, sorry. I'm burpy after the last Tokyo Treat Box we just finished. I don't know if I can eat much in this next one.
Hey, he's back.
Look who's back from Tokyo Treatland. Chupa Panupa, right?
Chupa Panupa.
Chupa Panupa.
Chupa Panupa.
Name it that.
Because she likes
Because
naming
Chupa
stuff.
Panupa is adorable.
Made
What
with
the heck
love.
does that even mean?
Follow us on Snapchat.
I have no
By
clue.
Mike.
That thing looks kind of scary.
Friend, is this the one with things from different parts of the world?
Yes.
Ooh, I've only done this one once.
Honeybee.
Honeybee.
Okay, does it say where it's from?
This is a orange flavored fruit drink
From where?
from. Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Thailand.
Thailand.
Product of Thailand.
Thailand.
There's popcorn.
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 Buttered,
Buttered
up.
up. Gourmet popcorn.
Mhm.
Why is all popcorn considered
Handcrafted
gourmet?
in USA by Popcornopolis LLC, Segundo, California.
So it's American, but it's something not everyone's probably tried.
American made.
Yes, because sometimes it's in American snacks.
Interesting.
It has a little birdie on the front. It's so
What
cute.
is it?
It's
Biscuit stick. It says biscuit stick. I'm going with chicken
Thailand.
flavored biscuit sticks.
Another Thailand thing.
I'm guessing.
This is Thailand. That is Thailand. Owie, ow,
I can't read anything else.
I'm going with
Okay, I'm
Thailand
sitting
or
on the
Malaysian.
edge.
No, you're fine. It's just the angle I'm sitting at. I'll move and I'll be good. Sorry.
A
There.
Tori super tasty.
Mega Crunch Ruffles.
Jalapeno.
I'm not trying
Mas
that.
producto.
I can't do jalapeno flavored stuff.
Nye.
I'm guessing probably Spanish or Mexican.
No
Yep,
bueno
Mexican.
para mí.
This is Mexican.
I use my Spanish in there. Haha.
I'm sure this is Mexican too.
There's another one of
No,
spicy,
habla
Spicy
español.
stick things. Yeah.
Spicy stick thing.
Caliente dulce. Dulce is caliente.
Yeah, it's
Oh, dude, did you guys see like the
Made in
creepy
Mexico.
chip dude on the back of this?
What? Oh, with the
The
sunglasses?
creepy chip dude. Is that like not like
that's like a
stalkerish
spicy
creepy?
stick thing.
I'm not trying that either.
Yeah, I don't think I could have that.
What is it?
Spicy stick.
Spicy something on a stick.
It looks like those chocolate cigars in.
It's
beef
the
jerky
fishy
form.
snack! What
Oh,
fishy
those are
snack?
good.
With strawberry in it.
flavor. Strawberry flavor.
I might have to try that.
I had one with chocolate in it once.
Those are
Those
definitely
were
Japanese.
very good.
Oh, what are they called?
Pop rock things?
I think these are like cola pop rock things again.
Her wall is shaking from the thunder.
Yeah. Those
What
are
are these
Japanese,
things called
I think,
again?
too.
I forget.
Taiyaki.
Taiyaki, that's right. What was the last one you
stick?
just showed?
That was the.
Where's it from?
I'm thinking those are. I think those are.
Looks
Japanese.
Japanese.
Japanese too.
Japanese.
Pop Rocky.
Us.
Wait! I recognize this.
What?
It looks like the ones that we didn't like very much. With the two different things in it. But maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's a different flavor. I hope I'm wrong. I might have you guys try that one first.
Swizzles drumstick.
Okay.
From
This is from Thailand. How
Raspberry
come this is
and
all
milk
in
flavored chew bar.
English?
I don't know.
Sometimes they print.
Because they sometimes print it in English.
Where's that one from again?
Made in the UK.
Oh!
By the way, this says keep
My
refrigerated for
ancestors
better
made
taste.
this. My grandma was born in England.
Look, it's another one of
It's
these.
like a taffy thing.
I've had these before.
What is it?
It's the cola lemon thing.
From
Japan.
Japan.
Onion rings.
Oh.
Potatoes.
Potatoes
Potatoes.
Potatoes. from.
Are they shaped like onion rings?
I don't ask questions, I just go with it.
I think these are England. I
Looks
want to say
England.
they're England. The UK stuff again. I think Tato's are England.
Yeah, that looks like an England address. Penguin's back, and so it's the other thing.
Chewits!
Chewits?
Chewits. Orange flavor. Well, it says www.chewits.co.uk. Where's
I
it
hope your
from?
mouth isn't actually
No clue.
UK. I hope you don't actually do that one.
Oh! I know this is UK because they call them
Big old
crisps,
package.
not chips.
Crisps.
Crisps.
Because chips technically is French fries there. If you say
yeah.
fish and chips. This is
Is
crisps.
that a fruit roll-up?
This is the Japanese version of a fruit roll.
Oh,
Cool.
Oh!
I've had them before.
Are they good?
Or fruit by the foot. Sorry,
Ooh,
that's what I was
strawberry.
thinking of.
Pick up my favorite flavor in
Big
here.
Bar, I've seen those.
Those are Japanese too. Big Z balls.
They have a lot of Z-bars. It's pretty much something crunchy covered in some kind of coating of
I
chocolate.
just like the packaging of that
This
one.
is Japan too.
That's creepy looking.
Yeah,
It
that just
says
seems funny.
candy. Kai
Really?
Thank you.
Kabayata, Kari, Pori, Cola, and soda.
Cola and soda. There
Yeah.
you have it.
That
What
tells
what
me
I
so
said?
much. I have no clue.
Orange chocolate.
Ew.
Okay. Or you Ireland.
Really?
It's Irish.
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 I can't do my Irish accent.
Crunchy orange shell with
I
a
used to
soft
be able to
chocolate
do one
center.
really well.
Oh, it says, ooh, so tangy.
Seriously?
Commercial. No, it says that right here. It
It's
does.
a kick in the glass. Oh wait, that's Tang.
It does that.
They can't
Jelly
tell.
tot.
Jelly tots. These are UK too.
Jelly tots.
Jelly tots.
I just think that sounds funny.
Not sure what that is.
That is a cracker of some sort.
It looks
Or
like
a
a honey
biscuit.
bun.
I'm going with a biscuit.
With
It looks like
I'm not sure what
shortbread.
language on it.
Maybe
It looks like
from
shortbread.
India.
I'm saying it's a biscuit.
I'm
Looks
assuming
like
it's a biscuit.
shortbread.
A biscuit.
Interesting.
It's
99.
seeds you put in the ground.
Delicious food. Taro flavor.
What's that?
Made in
I
Taiwan.
don't know, but taro flavor does
Taiwan,
not
let me
sound
see.
good.
Taro flavor sweet potato.
Oh.
It's purple. Purple sweet potato, I believe.
I don't know if I'd like that.
I've had these before.
What is that?
They're like stamp candy.
Meaning?
You lick it and then you can stamp on your tongue. Like little monsters.
Oh, like
and
those
things.
zebra stripe tattoos you would get in the gum packs.
Uh-huh.
Ow! Something's poking
It's like
me.
Halloween stuff because it has
Me.
a little mummy on it.
Poke, poke.
The vampire.
What's that?
Puffed rice brittle. It's
Looks like a-
Ukraine.
Bad Rice Krispie bar.
I don't know.
It looks like that
Looks
one cereal that looks like the maple cereal with the bear on it. What was that cereal called again?
Golden puff.
Golden Puffs, yes. Golden Puffs, Golden Puffs.
Better question is, what was the name of the
It
bear?
looks exactly like that. I don't remember the name of it.
I've had the 7 sticks before.
Where are they?
I believe those are Japanese also.
Oh.
They're like biscuits with chocolate in them.
Ah! The candy is
Hey,
poking
look!
me.
I have this DIY kit. Over there.
That's
Over
Japanese.
there.
Let me see.
And you still haven't tried it.
And I still haven't made it yet.
You and your DIY kits, are you ever going to get to them? They look fun.
Yeah.
We should
Especially
just do a
the hair
video
one.
of DIY kits.
It's lemon. I've never had lemon one before.
It probably tastes like lemonade or lemon soda.
Probably.
Just be careful when you try and put the little plastic ball in the top.
Or it could taste
Last well.
like
I've
7-Up or
never been good
something.
at that.
Strange if I could read any of this, but I don't think I can. Bosnico Hertz.
Random newspaper from another country that they
It
wrap their
hurts
soda
trying
in.
to cure Utah.
Yeah.
that way.
Hey, it says USA on it. And Canada spelled with a K.
I'm gonna entertain you because she's just looking at paper.
Are we ready to try any of that stuff?
I guess.
Okay.
Oh, we're not doing that, of course.
Because you know
Put it with my
about
other
it.
one. See? Now I have two!
I'm so sorry. I start to yawn because it's getting later.
You want to get the weird thing out of the way?
Sure. I'll try some. It looks good to me.
What are you trying?
This
Golden puff stuff.
golden puffy
Looking
thingamabob
stuff.
from the Ukraine.
And you can even break
And
it.
break it.
How is it?
Well, that didn't break in a very small piece.
I don't want very much.
Kind of tastes like golden puffs.
I just said that's what it looked like, which is why I like it.
Does it taste good?
Mm-hmm.
Is it sweet?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it won't break off in a small piece either. See, I just broke it
Try
again.
not to make a mess and it's going everywhere
I
though.
don't want a big amount.
I promise I'm not sick. If I take another bite, you want about half of this?
Sure.
Oh.
Yay.
Yeah, it tastes like golden
Oh
puffs.
yeah, it does taste like golden
But
puff.
crunchier.
Mm-hmm.
I approve. I approve.
I used to eat golden puffs a lot.
Yeah.
Ah, all over.
What are we doing next?
The
The
onion
chisps?
I just picked something.
We're doing the
up for it.
chisps.
The chisps.
rings. Yep, the onion rings.
Yummy. Sounds good.
Our story.
Ah, penguin. You okay? Okay. Looks like Funyuns. The taste isn't too bad. Can I have another one, please? They're pretty good. I don't think you
They're
like
definitely
them.
oniony.
I like it.
It was like, no.
I like it a lot.
I do like them.
Oh gosh.
I don't like onions, but they're good.
I don't like onions either, but I like onion stuff.
Yummy.
I like them.
Good job, UK.
What's that? Whatever this is. It's the cute little thing, my bub.
This is what we're trying next.
If I can
The
get
cute
it.
little biscuit weird things.
Here, Don. I started opening it for you.
Oh. The biscuit sticks.
Yes.
I don't think you can reach anything else to pick it up and throw it at you, so.
Quit throwing things at people.
Does it smell funny?
It's an interesting smell. Okay.
Okay.
Biscuit sticks. I don't have to have that many.
It's super spicy.
Oh.
My tongue is numb.
Oh, not bad. I barely licked it. Cassie says it's spicy. I'm not eating it.
It is spicy. Super. Is it super
Tongue is
tasty?
numb. Tongue is numb.
So what's in
What's
this?
that?
It's a stamp candy.
Stamp candy?
Yeah, you stamped your tongue with it.
Garlic pepper.
Stamp candy.
Ew! It says it has fish
We're
sauce.
moving on. We're
Does it-
moving on
does
to
it-
stamp candy.
Says it has fish sauce in it.
Stamp candy.
Does that have gold on its tongue? You stop your tongue going,
Did it work?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I have one left. Cool.
There were 3 in there?
There's 4 in there.
You got a pink one.
There's 4 in there. It's a pumpkin.
Tastes like cola.
I got
Tastes like cola.
It is cola.
Oh. I got a pumpkin.
Oh.
Mine is a pumpkin. I got a ghost. That looks like he's kicking his legs, and I don't know why, because ghosts don't have legs.
One for $6 and something.
Ooh.
What are you trying now? The butter bread stuff?
I don't know what they are.
Looks like shortbread.
I'll have a piece. Is it not good?
It's really crunchy.
Okay.
Like a cracker. It's a huge piece.
I'm fine. I need to finish chewing my stamp candy first.
Did you want to try some, Kim?
I got candy flavored now.
Oh. Looks like a
Here.
really crunchy. It's really hard to break.
Here. Got you a piece.
Oh, yeah.
It's like a really crunchy cracker thing.
It's very plain.
It's not bad.
It's like a...
I'm not sure where it's from though.
Me either.
Kate works after having the candy.
Okay. You gonna throw something else at me?
What's that?
The taro flavored thing?
You can have that.
I don't want to try that.
It's gonna crumb everywhere. It looks like an omebo, kind of.
Oh. It's purple.
No.
No.
It's like that.
It's just like straw colored. It does look like a rainbow. Does it taste like sweet?
How's it taste?
It's different tasting than an omebo.
Mm.
The stuff is inside.
Oh.
Pretty good.
Oh.
Takoyaki, which is also in here, which I vote we try next.
Which one's that?
The fish.
Where's that?
That fish.
Oh.
Strawberry
I
fish.
can't reach that one from
I
here.
really can't tell if I like this or not.
Is it kind of 50-50?
It's kind of...
Strawberry!
The fishy.
The fish.
Sounds like he might have broke a little bit.
It was like that when I got
It's
it in my
gonna crumb
hand.
all over.
Well, you might want to break it like before you hand it to us then.
Aw, he got all crushed.
If it's already broken.
Where is it?
Right there.
Oh, poor fishy.
It's the first time I've ever gotten that crushed this bad. They usually
Because
come
it was like that when we got it.
usually big and whole.
Yummy. Oh my yummy.
Oh, yummy.
Oh my yummy.
Can I get a little?
Mmm. Mmm. It's like strawberry pocky, but
It's like
crunchier.
strawberry wafer cookies.
That too. It's delicious.
Mmm.
What?
Look at the phone thing got me.
Orange chocolate. She threw orange chocolate at
I
you.
just picked one and then threw it.
Well, first I gotta eat my fish.
These are good. I like
I
that
love
one.
the fish.
Yum, yum, yum.
Did you try the chocolate one, or were you not there that day? I can't remember.
No,
Was that just me and Dawn that day, probably?
Probably so. I think I tried that one.
And the chocolate ones
The
are
chocolate
good.
one's awesome.
I
And
like
they-
that one.
It's tasty.
I like strawberry stuff.
And I can see off my face. I should go like this. Hello!
Mm-hmm.
As you can tell, it's what time of night? It's like 11:07. So we're eating, yet we're starting to drain away and about to fall asleep. That's mostly me, but
Yeah.
yeah, I'm tired. I don't really want to try the orange chocolate. We'll leave that one to you.
I don't want to try it either.
Okay. The one eating everything.
It's supposed to be crunchy orange on the outside, gooey chocolate on the inside. Are you sleeping?
No. I'm sleepy though.
Alright, here we go.
What? Was that all like orange when you rolled it out?
Mm-hmm.
Chocolate on the inside, it's crunchy on the outside.
It looks like a...
I want popcorn next, by the way. Please. Buttered up.
Just open this one.
Oh. Well, buttered up after that one then. What's
I
that
don't
one?
even know what this one is.
Chew
It's
it.
like a gummy thing.
I thought it.
Oh, it's
Somebody
orange
said it
flavor.
tastes
It
kind
looks
of
like a
taffy.
Starburst.
Somebody tastes. Yeah, somebody said it's kind of like
It looks
a
like Starburst.
Starburst or what's it called? High Chews.
Looks like Starburst.
I'm not gonna have one. I'm trying to save my tummy. But I do want popcorn later. Okay, ready? Let's see if I can make this in the basket. Ready? Aha! Way too far out.
It's actually
Dang
not really
it.
that orangey. It's pretty subtle.
Air ball. I didn't make it into
It's not
garbage.
like
I'm
super
sorry.
Flavor. I mean, it's orangey, but it's not like
Super orange.
woo, you know.
So it's a pretty good one then.
Mhm.
It's not overly oranged.
Yeah.
Is that even a word? Orange?
It's more like natural flavor.
Overly oranged.
Do, do.
We're gonna do the buttered up. Buttered up pop. I'll just start opening it.
Go ahead.
Pass me skizzers.
Oh, you can't. I don't know where they're at.
Pass me skizzers. I was talking to Dawn.
Oh. 70 calories per
bag.
And we're not gonna eat the whole bag. Maybe. We'll eat them all before Dawn gets
It's
up
just
here.
like the butter popcorn you get in a Christmas tin. And it fell down on the bed. Here, the one you dropped.
Ooh, yum.
No, seriously, it tastes like popcorn you get at a Christmas tin.
Yummy.
Are you doing the taffy still?
I still have that orange chocolate in my mouth.
I like the popcorn.
But you're supposed to chew it, right?
It's too hard to chew.
Too hard to chew.
You have to wait until it's soft.
I will go bait it.
I like the
Good
popcorn.
popcorn. Yummy.
Mm.
Penguin. Snuckle
We
time.
choose you. 6.
She'll get to try all this stuff. We just don't want to just wait and just say, okay, how do we pass the time? I don't know. Hello.
Hello. How
Hello.
are you?
Hello. It's us. We're unboxing a Munch Pak, but we're tired because it's 11:06. Hello.
Now I'm doing the chew it.
Now she's doing the chew it. The high chew it. The one that's supposed to taste like a high chew it. Does it taste good?
I want more popcorn.
Okay. Do that. So, how was your day today?
It was good.
I got hot too much because I was outside 90% of the time because that's what I do for my job.
They popped it in coconut oil.
Isn't it supposedly healthier that way?
I think so. I don't taste the coconut either.
That's really good. Here, popcorn.
Whole grain.
Back starting to hurt.
Yum, yum.
Okay, I'm gonna try popcorn now.
The popcorn was delicious.
Okay, yeah. Normal popcorn taste.
She just chucked something at you again.
7 sticks.
You're gonna have to use the scissors for those.
I've had these before. They're good. They came in one of my they're in one of my Japan boxes. It broke.
It broke?
Aww.
It broke, did?
Well, that one's pretty good. You want a whole stick? You want me to break it? Or try to break it?
I'll have the whole one.
Is there a broken one in there? Or not?
It's awake now.
It's awake. The computer woke up. Okay, what was next? The stick thing? Did you like it? Oh, and now
Oh,
we
the
have
760. Yeah, those are.
Do you want red or blue?
Loop. Loop.
I don't care. Just hand me one.
There's the open.
I'll do blue.
I'm broke.
I missed.
There's 2 of them in there.
I'm broke.
Oh, then we can trade.
I can't get it out. It's stuck. How do I...
You want one of my blue ones?
I got blue.
I meant Dawn.
Okay.
You want to borrow the cola one?
Interesting.
Woo!
It's really
That's
fizzy.
totally-
Fizzy.
It's like super fizzy. Oh, going down my throat fizzy.
Woo!
Fizzy.
I'm gonna suck on it.
It's like pop.
Fizzy, fizzy.
No, pop is not like this sour, tangy sensation. It has the fizziness of pop, though.
It's pop right in a stick.
You're done. You can have the rest of mine for later. I'm gonna kind of fold it over. There you go. Is there the box? I can put in the
Just
box.
post him.
The box.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's a cool little save for later tab. That's cool. Hey, I approve of this. This is pretty good.
Found a little blue one.
This is very
How
good.
was the cola one, Cam?
Yeah, how was the cola one?
It's good.
My feet are gonna bring the next thing. What's this again? No, never mind. Not jalapeno. Do you want jalapeno? I don't. You're gonna try jalapeno or not? Cause you like spicy stuff.
Dawn's one.
Crunchies. Ruffles.
The ones you're only
Jalapenos.
having because they're
Mas
jalapenos.
producto. Jalapenos. Mega crunch. Ooh.
Can you tell? You will probably like those. I don't know about me. How they taste? Eh? Oh, I can smell them from over here.
Yeah, they're really smelly.
Ah! Get them away!
There's
The
the
box, please. Oh gosh.
There's the spicy.
Like
Ugh.
super spicy.
That's spicier than those corn nuts I had.
Here, have some Pop Rocks. If they're the good ones. If not, then they might be those nasty ones again.
Wow.
I don't know if it's a good or not good one. Oh, now the whole room smells like jalapenos. Ew, that was a nasty smell. And I didn't even taste
I
them
can't
yet.
smell anything. My nose is blood.
Can you not feel anything on your tongue?
This time my tongue is whacked.
What are you conducting?
That's a spicy jalapeno. I didn't think some jalapeno things I have are not
Good.
that kicky. That one was kicky. That must have been a spicy jalapeno.
Oh, I'd be worried for you in this spicy stick then.
I've had one of those before, I think.
How is it?
Chili, salt,
Eh?
Okay.
sugar.
I don't know. Do I really want to try these?
I'm so sorry. I'm having a fun time. I'm just starting to
Do you
fall
want to try
asleep.
those?
Why is
Opera.
nobody trying them?
I'm worried they're the same ones I had that were nasty, but I can't remember. And I'm trying to save my stomach, so I'm not.
Unless
eating
those were
everything.
like the plum ones.
How is it? Are those good
Doesn't
ones?
taste bad.
Okay, good. They're the good ones, but still, I'll let you guys have them.
For the cola ones.
Okay, good.
Because we had like a plum flavored one and they were. Bleh. I don't want them though.
Nasty.
I'm just gonna throw them.
Nasty. What's these?
Mm-hmm.
Jelly tots.
So that spicy kicks in my mouth.
We're gonna try and get the spiciness out.
I want
What color?
a red one.
Pass, please. I'm gonna have a green. No, actually, no. I want the yellow. Hey, pretty good.
What'd you have?
Red
Yellow.
one.
Thunder, shut up. We're trying to record.
They
They're
kinda
pretty
taste-
good. Yeah, got a little bit of sourness, tanginess. And they're a good texture.
I got an orange one.
Hey, those are pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay, what's the next one called?
Drumstick.
From, which one's that again?
That's I can't figure out where the thing's at.
I forget where you told us it was
Is
from.
that the Ireland one?
Oh, it might be the Ireland one.
No, I don't think this is the Ireland one.
Yeah, it is.
You
That's
sure?
the Ireland
Yeah, it
one.
is. It's in little print. Look at taffy, isn't it? Oh, it's got a start of like pink in it.
Alright, take a bite.
It's like milk tasting.
Ah.
It has a slight raspberry taste. I think the raspberry's in the middle.
I like the raspberry part. I don't know if I like the other part.
I don't know if I like the other part either. Actually, not that terrible though.
Raspberry.
It's like taffy.
There.
It's actually not so bad.
I'm so tired, I'm sorry. Almost done. We can do this. Woo! Woo! What's that one called again?
This one,
Cola
Chorus.
lemon.
Chorus Kajiro Cola Soda. Probably said that totally wrong, but you know, I don't speak Japanese.
Oh.
Looks like that.
I'm so sorry, I'm tired. It looks like one of those cow tails.
It does look like almost cocktails.
Ooh, it has a tanginess to it. Oh, I like it. Where's that one from again? Is that the Japanese one? That's good.
Japan!
I know what these big bar taste like.
So
Feels
what?
weird when you swallow it.
What did you like the
I like the
best?
fruit roll up.
The fruit roll?
I also like that pink fish
What
thing.
was your favorite?
That taffy stuff you gave me last that was a little tangy.
Mm.
And the popcorn.
And
You
the
can never go wrong with
popcorn.
popcorn. It was delicious.
I don't know.
It was a good night.
Again, I'm not my normal super enthusiastic self.
Oh,
I
the
am
golden
tired.
puff thing was good too.
Oh yeah, the golden crisp thingy majigger. It tastes like cereal that I used to have when I grew up.
Yeah, that was good.
It's funny to watch Donald try jalapeno chips.
Thank you. I'm glad I'm so funny. Well, I think we're gonna say bye. Bye.
Adios.
Say bye.
I know, I better say goodbye before I fall asleep. I'm so tired.
Bye.
Wow.